Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating F21 error code on your Whirlpool Duet washer, don't panic. We're here to break it down and get you back to clean clothes in no time. This error is a common issue in 2025 models, and it's often related to drainage problems. Let's dive right in. First off, what does the F21 error mean? Simply put, it indicates that your washer is taking too long to drain water. This could be due to a blockage or a malfunction in the drainage system. Understanding this is key because it helps us pinpoint the problem quickly. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The top culprits include a clogged drain pump, which can get filled with lint, coins, or even small socks. Kinked or blocked drain hoses that prevent water from flowing freely. And issues with the pressure switch, which might not be detecting water levels correctly. In some 2025 models, software glitches from recent updates could also play a role, so keeping your washer's firmware up to date is a good preventive measure. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your washer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. This simple step fixes minor glitches about 30% of the time. Next, check the drain hose, make sure it's not kinked and is properly connected to the drain pipe. If that's clear, grab a bucket and access the pump filter, usually located at the bottom front of the machine. Clean out any debris carefully. For more advanced troubleshooting, use the washer's diagnostic mode if available in 2025 models. Consult your manual for how to enter it. If you're dealing with a pressure switch issue, you might need to test it with a multimeter, but if you're not comfortable with that, it's time to call in a pro. Remember, safety first, always disconnect the power before working inside your appliance. By following these steps, you should resolve the F21 error and avoid future headaches. If the problem persists, it could indicate a bigger issue like a faulty pump, so don't hesitate to contact Whirlpool support or a certified technician. Thanks for watching, and hit that like button if this helped. Stay tuned for more home repair tips, and see you next time.